So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket and DeepSeek Harness new version has been released. As you can see, DeepSeek has open source DeepSeek Harness developer preview. Everything is a plugin. DeepSeek Harness is now in deep developer preview for agent harness developers worldwide, source code included. Every capability is a plugin that can be swapped or recomposed, be it models, tools, skills, sessions, sandboxes, storage, loop scheduling, and the UI itself. What does this mean? This means that everything is customizable. You can change the UI, you can add models, you can change sessions, whatever you wish to do. With this, using this particular command from npx, you can install it or install from source using git clone. So first of all, we'll be like checking out what are the details about harness, what new has been added. Keep agents working in real environment. Cordis kernel manages plugin mounting, unmounting, and dependencies. Capabilities as plugin. Be it any capability, it is available as a plugin. Compose with configuration. Developers can select, swap, or extend any capability in configuration. Everything is a plugin. As you can see, DeepSeek Harness is built on Cordis plugin system. So if you go to settings and see plugins, everything is available as a plugin here. Cordis services and events let the plugins work together. Every run is traceable. Everything the model sees is recorded in an append only sessions log. That's very important. Multiple runtime modes. So not just standard mode, code mode, minimal mode, creator mode, everything is available now. Customize the DeepSeek harness. So this is a tutorial the team has released. Let me show you. It's pretty interesting that you can now add any feature. Customize the user interface. So this was the first example. So they will ask it to add a whale to the web UI. Very interesting. And after some time, the whale would be added. Very crazy idea. But now this is permanently added in the UI. So you can customize the UI according to your needs. A completely customized AI coding tool. So I think this might be a good replacement for Cloud Code given the pricing for DeepSeek API is quite less. And I will be testing out this DeepSeek harness with Kimi K3 first. So here you can see that this is adding another feature. The snakes game will get added for always on your web UI. That's again very interesting. So the wheel is also available and the snake game is also available if you can see. Third one is customizing the code review mode. So even you can add new agents to the modes also, and very interesting update that DeepSeek has come in. So now I think what I can see, DeepSeek is not just focusing on models but also on full length products, and this is kind of a platform like come take your recipe and create your ID accordingly, whatever you wish to do with it. Very interesting work done by the team. If you see how to get started either from source or npx, so their GitHub repo is all. Here you can see that the GitHub repo has just exploded about 200k stars, and this is some crazy growth that the harness has seen. As you can see here, to build from source, this is the GitHub command that can be used. Very minimal documentation, but everything is on the platform. So this is my DeepSeek harness that I've already set up. Here you can standard mode, PTC mode, minimal mode, creator mode, build for creating custom agents, two tools, coding agents, etc. etc. This is way powerful than Cloud Code, I would be saying, and hence everyone is going bonkers for it. Let me add a new playing dog on the UI. Mostly floating. So they were asking for a whale. Let me see whether it is able to add up dogs in the UI. Let me see. I just want to check out whether this works or not. But in the directory is this, it's coming, it's the model is thinking. This may take some time, but a very interesting approach that the team has come in. If you look, go to settings part, here are the plugins and shell plugins are also there. Plugin list is there. You can enable everything, include LLM, timer, include session title, everything is available as a plugin. Very interesting. I think it's way more comprehensive than Claude Code, and I think soon you would be seeing Claude Code now going out of the park. The workspace is a web Python app with a templates folder, so it is adding playing dogs in my application. I think this is not I want to change my workspace. If I start, can I change my workspace? Add a dog at the corner of DeepSeek harness UI, not the Python project. Let's see whether it is able to do this or not. A very interesting tool the team has released. If you look at the capabilities now, I think Claude Code comes with a very limited set of capabilities and more for non-programmers, but this is for developers. I will add a doc to the DSH web GUI. First, let me inspect the harness checkout structure. Now things are getting started. I can add UI elements in this UI without changing code. So you're not just creating softwares, but you can change the existing softwares also. Very interesting. Good. We were talking about the plugins. Models are here for now. I'm using Kimi. If you go to the plugin list, a lot of things are there that you can enable. Everything is enabled right now except a few. So everything is a plugin, as they say. That's quite correct. As you can see, it is changing the DeepSeek's harness. The UI is rendered by DeepSeek AI, DSH client web. The entry point is main.ts. So I will add a fixed position corner dog there, simplest and robust regardless of how the shell renders. Let me check the build setup first. Yes, I think that is why the repo is exploding also, because if you look at the capabilities in the new approach that the team has given, it's way interesting and I think way more powerful as compared to Claude Code. So let this run out and I'll be right back once the dog is added. If it's not added, I'll show you that too. So as you can see, I am giving it access to my sandbox. It has taken that. So I think what DeepSeek has released is a complete product in itself. And now rebuild the web artifacts so the running GI serves the changes. I will allow this again. It is giving me warning version as well. Now rebuild the web artifacts so that the running GI serves the change. There is a major update that team has given to DeepSeek harness that everyone should try out. Let me check this now. And a dog is added to the corner. Crazy work done by the team. I'm quite impressed. This is just amazing. And now you can change your UIs also with this. It's very interesting update that has come in. Return student serves. So I'm able to change my GUI. So what they were claiming in the demonstration is absolutely correct. So with this, it's a wrap. Multiple features as I just showed you. One was also a plugin thing. You can check out, you can change UIs, and you can customize it according to your needs. And yeah, a big news coming out, DeepSeek harness is here to stay, and I think Claude Code's position is now in danger. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day. You do try out the new version of DeepSeek harness and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Thank you so much.